Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to record both your desktop and your phone at the same time using a screen recorder app like Camtasia. Okay, so I'm only saying Camtasia because I'm using Camtasia, right? If I was using I think there's a free program called screenomatic.com that does that, but if you are using any other screen recorder, I'm going to show you how you can show both your desktop screen and also show your cell phone screen. So I don't know, maybe you are doing a training and you want to show some stuff directly from your phone to your viewers. I'm going to show you how to accomplish that for free, guys. All right, so like I said, I'm using Camtasia. Okay, this is it right here. All right, and it's actually running right now. So guys, what you need to do, if you're using a Mac, you need to go to good old QuickTime Player. Okay, you want to click on QuickTime Player, and by the way, QuickTime Player is also available for Windows. So if you have a Windows computer, all you got to do is just go to your browser, type in QuickTime Player install or QuickTime Player for Windows, and you're just gonna be served. All right, go in and install it, and you can actually do the same thing. All right, so I clicked on QuickTime Player. Now it shows up here. So all I gotta do is just make sure my phone is connected to this computer. All right, so in this instance, it's connected via a cable. Okay, so let's say I was running a training, I was explaining something here, and that I wanted to show you something on my phone. I'll just come up here, click, make sure this is the QuickTime Player menu, then I click on File, and I can click on Movie Recording, and just like that, it's gonna show my cell phone screen, just like that. Okay, so I can go and show anything I want to show. All right, see this? All right, how's that, guys? Very nice. Okay, let me actually go back to my Twitter again. All right, so this is how it works, and you can actually do it for free, my friends. All right, so this is a short video. Like always, I always go to the point, and I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, and I see you in the next one. Bye bye.